Listen and repeat.
I wake up. I wake up.
He gets out of bed. He gets out of bed. She yawns when she wakes up. She yawns when she wakes up. He stretches his arms and legs. He stretches his arms and legs.
I use the bathroom. I use the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. She washes her face with water and soap. She washes her face with water and soap.
He takes a shower. He takes a shower. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. He gets dressed. He gets dressed.
She puts on her makeup. She puts on her makeup. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I like to drink coffee. I like to drink coffee.
I pack my lunch. I pack my lunch. He checks his emails quickly. He checks his emails quickly. He commutes to work every day. He commutes to work every day.
He drives his car to work. He drives his car to work. She takes the bus to work. She takes the bus to work. I prefer to walk. I prefer to walk.
He arrives at work. He arrives at work. I start my tasks for the day. I start my tasks for the day. She makes phone calls and goes to meetings. She makes phone calls and goes to meetings.
I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I walk outside during my break. I walk outside during my break. He commutes home from work. He commutes home from work.
I exercise. I exercise. She uses the internet. She uses the internet. He checks social media. He checks social media.
I chat with my friends. I chat with my friends. He spends time with his family. He spends time with his family. She plays games. She plays games.
He studies. He studies. She does her homework. She does her homework. I practice playing the guitar. I practice playing the guitar.
She pays bills. She pays bills. He sets goals. He sets goals. I call friends and family. I call friends and family.
He catches up with loved ones. He catches up with loved ones. She watches a movie. She watches a movie. He goes to parties and dances. He goes to parties and dances.
I watch TV. I watch TV. She reads books. She reads books. He listens to music. He listens to music.
I write in a journal. I write in a journal. He meditates. He meditates. She does yoga. She does yoga. I take a short nap. I take a short nap.
She waters her plants. She waters her plants. He feeds his pets. He feeds his pets. She walks her dog. She walks her dog. He plays with his pets. He plays with his pets.
She solves puzzles. She solves puzzles. He plays a sport. He plays a sport. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. He takes a drive. He takes a drive.
She spends time in nature. She spends time in nature. He takes photos. He takes photos. I enjoy painting or knitting in my free time. I enjoy painting or knitting in my free time. He writes letters. He writes letters.
I get ready for bed in the evening. I get ready for bed in the evening. I change into pajamas before going to sleep. I change into pajamas before going to sleep. I clean my teeth before bed. I clean my teeth before bed. I wash my face before bed. I wash my face before bed.
I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I get into bed. I get into bed. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. I have dreams during the night. I have dreams during the night.
I clean the bathroom. I clean the bathroom. She vacuums the carpets. She vacuums the carpets. He washes the dishes. He washes the dishes. They do the laundry on Sundays. They do the laundry on Sundays.
We dust the furniture. We dust the furniture. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. He sweeps the floors. He sweeps the floors. She mops the kitchen floor. She mops the kitchen floor.
They make their beds. They make their beds. She cleans the windows. She cleans the windows. I iron the clothes. I iron the clothes. They change the bed sheets. They change the bed sheets.
She scrubs the bathtub. She scrubs the bathtub. I wash the windows. I wash the windows. He waters the plants. He waters the plants. She cleans the oven. She cleans the oven.
She tidies up her toys. She tidies up her toys. He cleans the refrigerator. He cleans the refrigerator. She cleans the stove after cooking. She cleans the stove after cooking. I declutter the closet every season. I declutter the closet every season.
They wipe down the mirrors. They wipe down the mirrors. She cleans the microwave. She cleans the microwave. He sweeps the porch. He sweeps the porch. She wipes off the kitchen table. She wipes off the kitchen table. They scrub the kitchen sink. They scrub the kitchen sink.